This is Vinay Kumar, and today we are discussing about my 20th SQL question. Let's see what the question is. And this is the question. And the question is: write a query to find the count for new and repeat customers for each order date. So let's see the order date. So for example, this one is the 1st January order. So this one is 2nd January order, and this is the 3rd January order. So the customer ID 100, 200, 300 is new customers. So 3 customers new and no repeat customers for 1st of January. And let's see 2nd of January, the customer is repeat. He is repeated and he is new customer. Okay, and he is also new customer. So here 2 new customers and 1 is repeat customer. So here 100 is the repeated customer and 400 is the repeated customer and 600 ID is the new customer. So here it is new customer ID and 2 members are repeated customers. So let's write a query for this one. So let's move this data into our Snowflake DB. So this is the data. Let's see the data what it is. So repeat. So yeah, so this is the data. So definitely it is a analytical function based query, because analytical function is too straight and easy to understand and easy to analyze this situation. So I want to make it as a row number. So over here part mm, not order date, here partition by customer ID. So partition by customer ID. So order by it is a varchar data type, right? So let's see this data. So it is a varchar data type. So now I'm changing to it as a date data type. So date of order underscore date, which is in the pattern of dd mm and y. So just make it as an rm. So that's it. Yeah, run this one. So when one comes, this is the uh, let's move this one order. So here it is a customer this particular date, right? For particular date is the customer. So and this one first customer of this date, and also this one is the first customer of this date. So he is a repeated, right? So when there is a partition based on customer ID, then what happened? Group by based on grouping based on customer ID. So order by date ascending in the pattern of ascending. So now I want to make it as, so I don't want order by here. Let's see what happened here. So uh, so case when rn equal to 1, case when rn equal to 1, then I want 1, then I want rn, for example. So and this one situation, so I'm telling this is the first customer. So let's make it as an alias here. So I want to make it as an order by 3. So let's see this one what happened. So these 3 customers are first, and for this date these 2 are 400 and 500 ID is the new customers for this particular date, and 100 is the repeated customer. So I'm taking as a now. So because when you're using an aggregate function, then what happen, nulls ignore it, right? So that's why uh, and then I'm taking here. So case when rn not equal to 1, then giving rn. else null. So and this is the repeated customer. So let's run this one. So okay, so nothing is there, so null. And for this one, uh, this cell has it means there is a value, so he's a repeated customer, right? So similarly, so out of this one, what I'm making, uh, I'm using an aggregate function from here. So mm, so aggregate function based on order date. So order date, and so I want to make it as this one as the result set, right? So from so mm, yeah, order date. So count of first customer and count of repeat customer. mm, uh, so group by one. Let's run this one. Yep, you are getting now. So 302112. So 302112. So that's it all guys, and this is your 20th SQL question. If you have any doubts regarding SQL, this is my mail ID. You can ping me as early as possible. I can give and reply. So that's it all guys. Thank you.